This is just a prototype or an experiment project that I'm working on last few weeks. It is about the integration of Playwright with the Orchard core. As we know, Playwright is an open source automation library for browser testing. And as we know, Orchard core nowadays don't have a testing framework except the one of, I think, from Lumbig guys that is a UI toolbox. What I did here is just a simple prototype to allow us to test our application. This may be the first part. Let me show you view, test, demos. This file, I will show you how we can write a UI test or end-to-end test using the Playwright and how we can simplify the process. Like, for example, we can simply open a web page by creating a Playwright instance, then choose the browser, the Chromium or Firefox or WebKit, and launch the browser to get the browser instance. Then we create a new page. After that, we can go to a page and check the title for that page or the inner text, inner HTML. What I did here is I built a layer on top of Playwright to simplify the process. You can inherit from the UI test and simply just call await browser.open page async, and it will open that page and give you the reference so you can check various properties like a title, the content, and a lot of functionalities. Like, for example, you can look for a specific element on that page. Like here, we can go and look for, I think, this paragraph in orchardcore.net, and will assert if the element.inner text equal this value. And also, if you go here, a lot of boilerplate for finding the element or create a screenshots. Let me run one example like this. Just in 2 lines of code, we can go to the orchardcore.net harvest and make a screen shot and save it into the disk. Sorry, something goes wrong here. Let me build. Okay, now the screenshot should be saved in the bin debug. Harvest, and that's it. Okay, another thing we add here, you might find yourself looking for various of element inside the page, I created a helper like for this. For those who don't like CSS rules, there's a class called by. It is in the helper namespace. You can create by class name. Sorry, this is not a class. We notice it is an attribute. The attribute is href with the value, this value, that target the A element. Also, this library will help you to generate a CSS rules or selectors for attributes, for tag name, by class name, siblings, and a lot of things. This is not only the thing, but if where is it? Yes, the last one. We can integrate this with the Orchard core application by just passing the startup class for the web application, like what I did here. So it will automatically run our application, and there are view options here. You can specify the browser type you want to run. It is Edge or Firefox or whatever. By default, it's Edge. Also, you can run your test in headed or headless mode. By default, it is headless. So now I can headless equal false. So now when I run the app or the unit test, it should open this web application. Okay, I think the page is here, and it will assert if the title is set up and the test is passes. This is just not all the things. I think the next step, there are a lot of things I might need to add, like can easily log into the Orchard by a simple method, or set up the site and provide the default credentials and so forth. This is just a prototype to integrate with the Playwright. And if you notice, there are a lot of code you can write with the Playwright, but here it is just a matter of 2 lines of code. And hopefully, if I have time next week, I will show you something special to Orchard.
Okay, and I have questions, but I will keep them for next week.
Okay, thank you.
Because it's been more than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry.
And this is interesting because we made a few changes on the website last week, actually, and some text would have changed in the meantime. For example, can you please share the link of your repository in the chat, Isham, please?
Yep. Yes. Okay. I think it is here. It is an Orchard core contrib. This is the repo. I can put it in the chat. Okay, where is the chat here?
And maybe you can open the link I pasted, the orchardcore.net website.
Yes. Where is it?
Oh, it's new and shiny. Wow.
Which one? Sorry.
Orchardcore.net.
Oh, yeah. Yes, by the way, one of my tests broken. I think you changed something. Yes, there's.
Yeah, I changed the theme, and
Yes.
it should be a bit better to alternate between the backgrounds to display the timeline correctly on all sides of screen.
Yes.
And to display the social media links on the top bar.
Cool. Cool. Cool, because I noticed that I think 2 days ago there was another class for this CSS class and you changed it. I don't know why that this is broken. And finally, I noticed that you changed the theme for them.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, all good.
Oh,
If you want to answer the new update on the website, that could have been a topic. And we can talk about it next week. Thanks, Ishan, for the demos.
Okay, thank you.